Do you want to know how to love your partner unconditionally? In the vast realm of emotions, unconditional love is a unique and precious gem. This concept, often a challenge many, is a profound understanding that may seem elusive. Yet it is an achievable reality. As you ponder its profundity, you might question its possibility. Is it feasible to love someone without any ifs and buts? Certainly. Unconditional love is not only possible but can also lead to a meaningful, fulfilling relationship. We are about to embark on an enlightening journey of exploration and discovery. Today we're going to explore the art of unconditional love and provide a step-by-step guide on how to achieve it. First, let's understand what unconditional love means. It's a love that's not bound by restrictions, a love that remains constant, never wavering no matter what situation arises. Unconditional love is the kind you give without expecting anything in return. It's the form of affection that remains unaltered despite what life throws at it. This kind of love stands through every storm, every hardship, every challenge. It's the love that stretches beyond the confines of conditions, beyond the limitations imposed by circumstances. Indeed, it's a love that says, I am here for you, no matter what. Step 1. Understand your partner. This involves truly connecting with them. Discover their aspirations, their apprehensions, their peculiarities. It's critical to grasp these details to be able to appreciate them profoundly. The essence of a person lies in the nuances, and grasping these nuances is the cornerstone of unreserved love. These minor aspects paint a vivid picture of who they truly are, shaping their identity. Acknowledging these attributes, no matter how trivial they seem, strengthens the bond of love. Indeed, love is the details, and understanding these details is key. It's the small things that make up a person, and understanding those small things is the first step to unconditional love. Step 2. Practice patience. This isn't just a quaint saying, but a powerful tool to navigate the rocky terrain of any relationship. The virtue of patience, especially in love, forms the bedrock of understanding and compassion. It is, in essence, the steady compass that guides us through the tumultuous storms of misunderstanding and discord. There will be times, more than you might imagine, when your partner may test your patience. This might manifest in small disagreements or perhaps larger clashes of personality, yet it's crucial to remember that these instances aren't meant to breed resentment. Instead, they're hidden opportunities, invaluable chances for personal growth and deepening mutual understanding. They're the trials that ultimately strengthen the fabric of your bond, but remember, it's these moments that offer opportunities for growth. Step 3. Communicate openly. Communication, the cornerstone of thriving relationships, necessitates an unfiltered exchange of feelings, thoughts, and apprehensions. It's in the act of sharing, the revealing of your most authentic self, that bridges of trust are built and fortified. This, in its essence, is the inception of understanding, the birthplace of a mutual respect that transcends the limitations of spoken words. It's through this dialogue, this unfettered communion of souls, that we lay the groundwork for an all-encompassing love, a love that knows no conditions, a love that is unconditional. This helps to build trust and understanding, the foundations of unconditional love. Step 4. Show empathy. Empathy, an essential ingredient in human interactions, is a quintessential skill that allows us to penetrate the emotional world of others, to comprehend their feelings and experiences. It's about not just hearing, but truly listening to your partner, deciphering their unspoken words, acknowledging their sentiments, and validating their emotions. It's like wearing your partner's shoes, taking a journey through their mind, and traversing through their vision. It lets you delve into their heart, exploring emotions from their viewpoint. It's a bridge that connects two hearts, nurturing a bond that's deeper than the surface level. This can help to foster a deeper emotional connection. Step 5. Accept your partner as they are. This step carries the essence of true love, a love that is all-encompassing and unconditional. It's about embracing the entirety of your partner's being, their strengths and weaknesses, their virtues and flaws, their perfections and imperfections. It's not just about tolerating their shortcomings, but rather loving them regardless of these. It's about understanding that nobody is perfect, and that their imperfections make them uniquely them. Acceptance, thus, is much more than a simple step. It's an essential aspect of a healthy, loving relationship. It means loving your partner despite their flaws and imperfections. Step 6. Forgive and forget. Remember, letting go is not a sign of weakness. It's a testament of strength and resilience. and it's crucial for maintaining healthy, long-lasting relationships. Holding on to grudges can become a heavy, burdensome weight that only serves to damage the bond between individuals. It can create a toxic environment where resentment and bitterness thrive. Instead, choose to take a different path, the path of forgiveness. Choose to understand that everyone, including yourself, makes mistakes, and that's okay. It's all part of being human. Show compassion, empathy, and kindness. Let go of the negatives and embrace the positives. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Step 7. Keep the spark alive. It is an essential part of any relationship. The glow that initially brought you two together, that magnetic pull that seemed to light up even the darkest corners of the world, it must be preserved. It should be nurtured, like a delicate flame dancing in the wind. And how do you do that? You do it through small gestures, a warm smile, a gentle touch, a surprise dinner at their favorite restaurant, leaving a love note in their lunchbox. It doesn't have to be grand, no, it is the thought that matters. The little things, they add up to paint a larger picture of love and affection. They serve as reminders of your deep-rooted feelings for each other. Above all, these gestures communicate that you don't take your partner for granted, that you truly cherish their presence in your life. Keep the romance alive in your relationship by doing small things that show your appreciation and love for your partner. In summary, loving your partner unconditionally involves understanding, patience, open communication, empathy, acceptance, forgiveness, and reigniting that spark. It's about choosing to love them daily, regardless of circumstances. Unconditional love isn't an instant event, it's a journey that demands commitment and patience. But it's a journey that's worth every bit of your effort. Now, go out there, love your partner like you never have before. Because deserve nothing less than your unconditional love.